Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure. And today we're going to make a 3D fabric mask. This one's an adult one. This is what this mask looks like. You will need a 9 by 14 inch piece of fabric for the front of your mask. 9 by 7 inch piece of fabric for the interior filter pocket. 2 pieces of 7.5 by 4 inches piece of fabric for your end pieces. 2 hair ties to strap them on your ears. Let's get started. Fold in 1/4 inch of your piece of fabric at the top edge, then sew a straight line. After stitching your interior cloth, you will get your big sheet of fabric and line up your filter pocket to the edge of your fabric. Fold in half and stitch at the bottom. After you finish making your bottom stitch, you're going to flip your fabric, then flatten it out nicely. After flattening it out nicely, you will fold it in half, crease, unfold, then fold both sides to the center line and sew on each side. After sewing both sides of your fabric, you will get your end pieces, line them up at the edge, flip over to the other side, fold them in, and sew at the edge. After you finish sewing your edges, you will bring your fabric to the true color. After you sew your edge and turn your fabric inside out, then you'll get your rubber bands, put it on your fabric, fold at the edge, then fold again. Now you stitch them. Now that we finished making our mask, this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventures. Bye!